Hey guys, today we are going to finish up lesson 6 for social studies. So yesterday we learned about that save means keep something for later, and savings is the money you are going to keep for later. And Yoshi was saving his money each week to buy a game. Alright, saving at a bank. Yoshi's friend Kate is also saving money. Kate earns money by raking her neighbor's yard. She wants to save her money. Her grandfather took her to a bank to open a savings account. A savings account is money saved in a bank. It will not get lost or stolen. Kate's money is safe in the bank. Okay, so you can save money at your house, but you can also save money in a bank. You put it into a savings account. So you can ask your parents if you have a savings account and if they're kind of saving money for you in the bank. So there's a picture. It says Kate's grandfather helping her open a savings account. Obviously, you need like a parent or guardian to kind of help you with that. And it says underline one reason that people save money at a bank. So banks are very protected, so it will not get lost or stolen. Yeah, and you can get you're not going to get like the same exact $10 bill you put into the bank, but the bank has your money and the bank promises to kind of give it back. All right, what about borrowing money? Sometimes people need to buy something right away but do not have enough money. They may decide to borrow money from a bank. Borrow means to use something now and give it back later. When people borrow money, that is called a loan. They will need to pay back the loan at a later time. People can also get credit cards from a bank to buy things. Using a credit card is the same as getting a loan. So in the picture, it says sometimes Kate's grandfather uses a credit card to buy things. So lots of people use credit cards, debit cards, things like that. So when you're buying a big purchase like a car or a house or things like that, you might not have all the money. You probably do not have all the money. So you probably have to borrow money. So that means you're taking the money, but you're promising you're going to give it back later. And it's called a loan when you do that. So they give you a loan, and you do have to pay back like more money because you're paying to be able to borrow their money. So borrowing is kind of, you've used that word in class, like, can I borrow a pencil? It means you're going to give it back to them. And a loan is just borrowing money. And then a credit card just means you kind of pay it off later. So the money doesn't get taken out exactly at that time. All right, and our last little paragraph. Sometimes Kate's grandfather uses a credit card to buy things. Kate's grandfather will pay the credit card bill at the end of the month. The bank will get the money back. The bank will get back the money it loaned. So yeah, if you charge it on a credit card, each time you charge something, it adds it up, and then you pay it off whatever time of the month you get your bill. And yeah, so it doesn't come out immediately. So it says money you borrow is called what? Money you borrow is called a loan. And we're just going to talk about just one little question. What is one reason people save their money? So people save their money to buy bigger items. So obviously small things, if something's $5, you don't need to save for that. But if you need some new furniture, new furniture can be expensive, so you might have to save for that, or new car, new home, things like that. So usually save for things that are more expensive or things that take more money. And the bottom one's just kind of a fun question. It says, what could you buy if you saved for a long time, and how would you save the money? So if you were saving money, what's one item that you would want to buy? And then how would you save the money? So how are you kind of earning it? What are you doing? You kind of think about that. So you're not going to have a quiz on this lesson. Just kind of wanted to talk about things that you can do with your money to wrap up our units on kind of jobs and money.